Hello everyone. Welcome to Back Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best Thermo Pro TM01 cooking kitchen timer. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Ultra-fast charging for iPhone 15. The Ugreen capsule offers 3x faster charging for the iPhone 15. With its 22.5W maximum fast charging capability, it can power your device to 55% in just 30 minutes, saving you time during your busy day. Dual fast charging protocols. This power bank supports both Apple and Android devices, making it versatile and compatible with a wide range of gadgets. Its dual fast charging protocols ensure efficient and reliable charging for all USB-C devices. Compact 5000 mAh battery. Despite its small size, the Ugreen capsule is equipped with a high-density 5000 mAh battery. It provides sufficient power to recharge most smartphones at least once, making it ideal for quick top-ups when you're on the move. Use while charging. A standout feature of the Ugreen capsule is its ability to function as a power source while recharging itself. This eliminates downtime and ensures your devices are always powered. Designed for USB-C port devices. Tailored for USB-C devices, the Ugreen capsule offers seamless compatibility with the latest smartphones, tablets, and other gadgets. LED digital display. The built-in LED digital display provides a real-time, accurate indication of the remaining battery percentage. This keeps you informed and prevents unexpected power shortages. Foldable stand. A cleverly designed foldable stand adds convenience, allowing you to use your device hands-free while it charges. Whether you're watching a video or participating in a video call, this feature enhances usability. Pros. Lightning fast charging. The 22.5W output ensures quick power-ups, especially for the iPhone 15. Versatile compatibility. Supports both Apple and Android devices with dual fast charging protocols. Compact and lightweight. The high-density 5000 mAh battery is small enough to carry anywhere. Real-time battery display. The LED digital display eliminates guesswork about remaining power. Hands-free convenience. The foldable stand is perfect for multitasking while charging. Simultaneous use. The ability to charge devices while recharging itself is a game-changer. Cons. Limited capacity for heavy users. The 5000 mAh battery is great for light use but may fall short for users with multiple high-capacity devices. No wireless charging. The lack of wireless charging might be a downside for those seeking the ultimate convenience. Device-specific features. While optimized for USB-C devices, users of older gadgets with micro USB ports may need an adapter. Final thoughts. The Ugreen capsule power bank stands out as a compact, feature-rich charging solution. With its ultra-fast charging, real-time battery display, and dual device compatibility, it's an excellent choice for users seeking reliability and portability. The foldable stand and simultaneous use feature further enhance its appeal, making it versatile for everyday scenarios. However, its limited 5000 mAh capacity may not satisfy heavy power users, and the lack of wireless charging is a minor drawback. Nonetheless, for most users, this power bank delivers exceptional performance at a competitive price point. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Kingo for more product reviews.